On today's episode, we cover 5 top tourist attractions worth visiting in the breathtaking lake city of Kisumu, Kenya. Twende Kisumu, let's go to Kisumu. Welcome everyone to Smart Up Travel. I am Ifeyani. If you're new to the channel, kindly like, share and subscribe by clicking the red subscribe box below this video. Now, in the comfort of your own home or wherever you are, let's learn more about Kisumu. Kisumu is a unique upcountry city with genuine cultural vibe and charming hospitality. It is a tranquil and easygoing place where even the business people at the markets sing happy songs to welcome their customers. Kisumu Ber, meaning Kisumu is good, are the words that rolls out their lips and lovingly touches the hearts of many who visits this beautiful lakeside city. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the Kisumu Impala Sanctuary. The Kisumu Impala Sanctuary lies on the shores of Lake Nyanza, also known as Lake Victoria. There are a diverse number of flora, trees, grass and herbs, and fauna, both free-ranging and captive. Over 115 species of birds have been recorded. The sanctuary has all of the big 5 game except for the elephants. A number of trail circuits are also available for visitors. You may be wondering how much it costs to visit the sanctuary. For Kenyan citizens and residents, it costs 200 shillings for adults and 100 shillings for child. Non-residents or foreigners to Kenya is $20 for adults and $10 for children. Coming in at number 4 on our list is Kisumu Museum. Kisumu Museum is made up of a series of outdoor pavilions, some of which contain live animals such as a variety of fish from Lake Victoria. Other creatures found at the museum includes mambas, tortoises, spitting cobras and more. Other exhibition includes weaponry, jewelry and farm artifacts used by the people in the Nyanza province. The most important exhibition thus far has been the Bergidala exhibition, a traditional Luo homestead and Luo artifacts. The UNESCO-sponsored exhibition consists of the house, livestock corrals and granary of a Luo man and explains the origin of the Luo people, the migration to Western Kenya and their customs and beliefs. Just in case you are wondering how much it costs to visit the museum, Kenyan citizens, adult pays 100 shillings, while Kenyan children pays 50 shillings. Non-residents or citizens of Kenya, you'll pay a small fee of around $4 to $5 and children pay around $2. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Kisumu Market, which is conveniently located near the bus station, and it is open daily from morning to evening. Kisumu Market is the biggest and best in Western Kenya. It's an observant place to wander, crammed with fruits and vegetables, including some oddities like breadfruit, and all the usual household items, pots and plates, reed brushes, whisker work and wooden spoons. The market is such a success that it has mushroomed out into the adjacent municipal park. Coming in at number 2 on our list is Dunga Beach. Here's what awaits you when you visit. There are restaurants located on its shores which serve some of the best tilapia fish in Kenya, which makes it perfect for a solo or family meal. Not feeling to eat? Well, from here you can get on a water taxi and immerse yourself with the beautiful scenery of Lake Nyanza, also known as Lake Victoria. Or why not support local businesses and purchase handmade and expertly made souvenirs to carry home with you. Coming in at number 1 on our list, can I get some drums? Okay, at number 1, this is definitely a place worth visiting when you're in Kisumu. Kit Mikayi is a rock formation, atoll, around 120 meters high, situated about 29 meters west of the town of Kisumu in Western Kenya. Kit Mikayi is a regional point of sightseeing interest especially among the Luo tribes. It also has become a popular pilgrimage site for followers of the Ligio Maria sect who come to the rock to pray and fast for several weeks at a time. UNESCO declared the stone a World Heritage Site on the 11th of December 2019. I hope you have enjoyed our top 5 places worth visiting when you visit Kisumu, Kenya. Tembea Kenya and enjoy the wonders of what Kenya has to offer. Thank you for watching Smart Up Travel.